It's broken. Do you think I can fix it? Hey everybody, it's Janine over at Slow Happy Vintage, and as you know, we are normally a jewelry channel, but occasionally I venture off into other vintage areas. And today is one of those days because I found this little music box and it doesn't work. I found it at the bins and I almost put it back, but I thought, you know what? I wonder if I can get this thing to work. The winder, it's overwound, or I don't know, something's going on. It's got an on-off switch, it's not working. So what do you think? Think I can do it? Let's find out. Everybody knows my love for old things. And when I was at the bins yesterday, I found this little music box. It's got a little clown on it. I had one of these with a little horse on it that sold probably for around $40. And I looked at comps on these, and when they're working, they sell for like $45 to $55. And I paid less than $1 for it. So I thought, it's not working. I've never tried to fix a music box, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to play around with it and see if I can't get it to work. If I can, great. If not, well, no harm, no foul. So the first thing, I think I need to take it apart. This could be a complete disaster, or it could be a success. I think it's a moving one, like the clown kind of dances around on the tightrope, but I don't know for sure. Okay, I'm assuming, well, I thought this back would come off. The back doesn't come off, so I'm assuming this has got to come forward, but how? Is it glued in there? Can I push it? I think I need to take these strips off. Oh, this is more complicated than I thought. If I pry these off, I'll have to glue them back on, but that's doable. Free the clown. Oh, the things I do for vintage things. I'm always in the bins trying to save the vintage things. But, hey, it's a good challenge. Okay, there's the glass. There's my clown. Oh. Let's see what this looks like inside. Okay, now why did this seize up is the question. I want to be able to get this off and take a look at it, but I'm not sure how to do that. Oh, look at that. Okay. If I hit some of the moving parts, but I'm not sure what has seized up and what hasn't seized up. Oh. Look at that! Okay, let's put it back together. Can I get Mr. Clown back to where he's supposed to be is the question. Okay, Mr. Clown, you're right there. Let's try to put you back in your box. On second thought, I should probably try to wipe up some of this silicone stuff so it doesn't stain any of the cardboard. Because yeah, I mean, you can see I already got some fingerprints from the silicone spray on there. Okay, put you back like that, and this goes like this. Now we need to line it up like that. Think. Wait, how did it? There we go. I'm not quite sure if I did it. Should probably test it a little bit now. This is an on-off, but it's not necessarily working. Maybe something's hitting it that we're not seeing. Let's try it again. Oh, something's hitting the fan. What's going on with you, little guy? It works fine out here. He's supposed to go up and down. I almost feel like this should be this way. Maybe it was just in its box the wrong way, but I think it's supposed to go like that. I think it was just in its box backwards. Okay, maybe I did it. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. I think we may have done it. Okay, let me put it back together. Let's see if it still works. Yes. Okay, little clown, are you gonna work? Yay! I did it! Okay, time to put these strips back on. These are just like little adhesive strips, so I may not even need to glue them. Well, I probably need to glue this. Well, yeah, I need to glue this. And I think there are some that are longer than others, right? Okay, so these are the short ends. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the edge of this. The side pieces will keep the long pieces in. Uh-oh. Ah! Forgot to put the glass back in. That's not good. Sometimes I have to do things the hard way. This back in. And there's a little tiny scuff on here. I don't think I'm going to fix that little tiny scuff. So we'll just put that on the outside. The long ones go on first. And because I've been messing with it so much, I think I am going to add a tiny bit of glue. Okay, ready to put you back together. I should probably test you before I do this, but I'm just gonna do it. So were you screaming at the screen saying don't forget to put the glass back in? I'm gonna put the best edge facing out. And put you right there. Okay, crossing fingers that this little guy works. Winds. Yay! Okay, perfect. Yay, we had success. Our little music box is working and I could not be happier. There we go. If anybody would like to purchase this little guy, it's $32 plus shipping and first come first serve. Cute little music box. The details on it, it's from 1994, made in Taiwan, plays Send in the Clowns. You can read that. All right, if anybody wants them, send me an email. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.